Hi, welcome. This is a video for the back office guys, for the beta testers, the core members. We are in such a flow at this point in time in the ArcoLinux DISO building process of calamares. And I want to explain something to our beta testers that you can spare some time. You don't need to rebuild every time to test the calamares configuration. And it's super easy if somebody explains it to you. So that's what this video is about. We have calamares, that's the application. We have calamares configs, that's the configurations. And the configurations have been changing like 20-30 times this morning. So how to keep track of all that? Do I need to rebuild the ISO every time? No, of course not. What changes is the config, right? So what you do is you open the terminal here. I'm thinking about the best thing to do. Yeah, open terminal here. And then you decide to end pacman. Oops, keyboards. So set my keyboard, and then we have a shortcut and an alias and pacman all the way down. Then you go back up. You don't need the testing, but we'll change it. We need the ISO. So another repo that's solely there for the ISO, and nobody sees it, just when the building process happens. So when I do now an update, suddenly all the packages of update are there, and what do you know? We get an Arco D calamares config next kittens. The next version that I've just built that now contains caffeine, for example, is in there, and it's in the etc calamares, so there is no need for scal. So basically, when I have not started calamares yet, you do not start it before the update, right? First update, then start. Then you'll see the new version, and this video will probably be used as well as a sneak peek thing to see what we're doing. That's okay. So NVIDIA 390 is out. We're following the ArcoLinux idea to put the 390 in AOR. So NVIDIA is just this anymore, of solely this. Let's do something, well, what we normally would do, right? Then you select some kind of thing, and I perfected this little guy here, few more packages in here. But then the fun starts, right? So we've done a lot of stuff extra, and the last thing I've added was the caffeine thing, and it's not yet there. So I don't think so. So what I'm gonna do, well, I can show you as well, of course. Let's have a look. So open a new window. We have, it's a back office video, right? So you just keep track what I'm doing. So I'm building a calamares, and I'm building this one. And in this one, I thought I had already done the net install applications YAML, and control find caffeine should be in there. It is in there, so it's not yet online. So what you do, first you push the GitHub online, so push it online. That's wrong. That's okay. Update again. Thought so. So it's already on the internet, but then I need to package it to build it. So ArcoLinux, it's a lot of work involved, but it's fun, it's creative. So number 25, just to make sure. And now we build this thing, Hopla. That's done. Here it will be moved to my ArcoLinux repo ISO. So now I need to go to the ArcoLinux repo ISO, to this one, and push that one online. Oh my god. So we get number 25, and so it happens. It always increment the number. Best thing to do ever on pacman, the best tip ever. You'll avoid so many mistakes, frustrations. Up the number is just a message, up the number. And then we are going to put that particular also on the, I don't know if I can show you that. but basically I'm putting it already also in here. I don't know what the video is going to do here in this case, but cancel. So no caffeine. So this is not the last one. So update again. And I get number 25. I run calamares. Go for it again. So you can keep on doing this, right? You do it this all on the same. Well, let's not install it. Let's just check. And caffeine is here. So now I can test out this little application that we've added. We've added so much more. So ZSH is in here. Just a quick clicking everything open, so you can drool over what will come. And caffeine is new. Lots of things are new. Optimus Manager is here new. Putty is new. And I think that's it. USB utilities, nicely put together. All kind of terminals and privacy stuff. Tor. Only Office is now in. Don't think anything new here. We had already a bunch of audio video things. WhatsApp is in here. That's new. Don't think graphics is new. GitHub is all together. And Git Kraken is new. Minecraft launcher. Why not? Why the hell not? It's on there. Click it and you have it. Ranger, all the file managers together with Ranger, Midnight Commander, remember 20 years ago. Visual Studio Code Bin, and so many more. So that's what we're doing in the backend here, and soon we'll have this new release. Cheers.